In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Teams meeting not showing in Outlook 2026 update. If the Teams meeting button is missing, don't worry. We'll go from quick checks to deeper fixes. Start by restarting in the right order, fully close Outlook, then quit Microsoft Teams, not just minimize it. Open Teams first, wait 1 to 2 minutes, then open Outlook. The add-in often loads only when Teams starts before Outlook. Next, confirm the add-in is enabled. In Outlook, go to File, Options, Add-ins. At the bottom, set Manage to COM add-ins and click Go. Make sure Microsoft Teams Meeting add-in for Microsoft Office is checked, then choose OK. If it's missing or keeps turning off, check Disabled Items. Still in File, Options, Add-ins, change Manage to Disabled Items and click Go. If you see the Teams add-in there, re-enable it so Outlook loads it. Verify you're signed in with the same account in both apps. Outlook and Teams must match, typically your work or school Microsoft 365 account. A mismatch can block the integration. Keep everything updated. In Outlook, open File, Office account, then Update Options and Update Now. For Teams, install the latest version from the official Microsoft site to ensure compatibility. On work or school accounts, policies may be the cause. Ask your IT admin to check your Teams meeting policy in the Microsoft Teams Admin Center and confirm meetings and the Outlook add-in are allowed. Clear the Teams cache on Windows to fix stubborn loading issues. Quit Teams. Press Windows plus R, type %app data % of Microsoft to Teams, and press Enter. Delete the cache files in that folder, then restart Teams. Repairing Office can also help. Open Settings, then Apps, find Microsoft 365, or Office, select Modify, and choose Quick Repair. If problems persist, run online repair for a deeper fix. Sometimes the button is simply hidden. Open the Outlook calendar, click New Event, and look for the Teams meeting toggle or button in the toolbar. Turn it on for the invitation you're creating. If nothing works, reinstall Teams. Uninstall it, restart your computer, then install the latest release from Microsoft's download page. Afterward, open Teams first, wait a moment, then launch Outlook to confirm the button is back. Thanks for watching.